This is your Lead Left vodcast for the week of June 1st. I'm Randy Schwimmer. Welcome back. What's been described as massive new issuance in the high yield market led to the most deal volume for May, $48 billion since 2003, according to LevFin Insight's Matt Fuller. As our chart of the week depicts, cash inflows to bond funds totaled over $35 billion in the past 9 weeks. That includes the top 3 weekly inflow numbers ever recorded. By contrast, retail loan funds saw outflows of $18 billion in March and April alone. What's behind these contrasting dynamics? Rates, one source told us. Treasuries are near zero. But also the Fed is supporting fallen angel bonds, buying ETFs of bankrupt issuers like Hertz, JCPenney, and Neiman Marcus. That gives fund managers cover. These companies, the Fed chair said recently, have now lots of cash on their balance sheets. They've been able to avoid layoffs. That is the point of all this. An analysis of the bond investor mix shows about half were ETF managers. This is significant because their strategy involves hedging and market timing. That's different than longer-term value credit shops. What about the relative value between loans and bonds? It's tricky looking at indices and benchmarks, another source told us. There's stuff going on behind the scenes. Loan ratings are skewed to stretch single Bs. Everyone is buying on technicals and ignoring fundamentals. So, what should we be watching? Treasuries and the yield curve. Also public equities and oil prices. The HYCDX is also an excellent index that includes default swaps for 100 North American corporates. It showed a 2.6% gain last week and a 4.3% gain this week. We asked Matt Fuller, what are your predictions for where this crisis goes from here? Nobody really knows, he said. Our building manager sent around a memo about when we're opening up again. It said, we're working on it. That's a pretty fair summary for what everyone's thinking about the situation today. Reporting from the building department at the Lead Left, this is Randy Schwimmer, wishing you and your families a safe and healthy week.